Welcome back to Blender Bytes, where we showcase fundamental Blender concepts in bite-sized pieces. To create a smooth and snappy camera shot movement, we'll be using constraints and keyframe animation. Start with the subject in your scene and add in your camera. Center your camera and point it at your subject. Now add the Track To constraint, selecting your subject as the target. Now when we move the camera, we can see that it follows our subject. All that's left to do is animate our shot positions. In the Animation tab, I will switch my left panel to the camera view so I can adjust our camera position on the right and see it in real time. Now simply click on your camera and press I to insert a keyframe. Now move forward however many frames you like, add another keyframe, and repeat this process until you're happy. By duplicating our keyframes using Shift D, we can make our camera stay on each angle for however long we want, creating a pause between each angle. By changing our interpolation mode to Bezier or exponential, we can play with different timing and effects. And congratulations, you now have a focused camera angle shot system.